Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to detect scams on Facebook. It should help you on Craigslist, etc. So, it's going to be broken up into segments, of course, because I'm going to find different scams over the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to record them, and then I'm going to, of course, share them with you. So here's one. It's a Kabuto B2920. Those things probably go for tens and thousands of dollars. The guy wants $1,200 for it. But there's other things you can apply this to, toys, etc., that are less inexpensive, like that right there, that's okay. The Nintendo Switch Lite. But anyway, let's look at this orange Kabuto. And then let's go to this user, because this user I also checked out, and this person passed away. So this is all the areas that they're advertising this with the same exact photo. And there's hundreds of them. I'm not going to go through all of them, but just trust me. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Columbia, South Carolina, Illinois, Indiana. So you definitely know this is a scam. Okay, this is one of them. I also set up another one for you, which is very similar to this one. I think it's on another window actually. Here you go. This one is a trailer, and I'm pretty sure everybody has seen these in the Kabuto, of course, because it's all around the whole country, and the Scamp, which is around the whole country. And I've tried reporting it. So this is where you report the post, and of course I used Scam, block Roberto Blanton. I'm not going to block him right now because I just want to show you his profile, but I've done that already. And it still shows up because it's all over the country. There's one, this one is advertised in East Hartford, one's going to be advertised in New Haven, another one's going to be advertised in Southington, Connecticut. There's probably 20 different towns in Connecticut, 50 different towns in New York State. It just goes on and on and on. Anyway, so let's check out this. I messaged them and they said that Robert is in an old age home right now and is not doing well. So, and he also joined Facebook in 2009, so this profile has been hacked. It's really sad too, because these people that they're hacking into were good people, and the money that they're taking are tens and thousands of dollars. So I investigated one instance, and I actually got a hold of this location, and the guy's been getting a lot of calls. Don't ask me how I found out, but I found out where this trailer park was located. And it's pretty sad because the owner said that he's actually gotten contacted by the FBI, different government organizations, local police, etc., about all the people that have been getting burned by this person that hijacked Robert Blanton's account. Facebook does absolutely nothing to block any of this stuff. It just goes on and on and on. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. Just wanted to make people aware, and of course there's going to be more. Let me just stop the video right here, and I'll show you more scams as I find them. Take care.